saw his wife at the bottom of the lake, making needlework, sewing beautiful bandao. So he jumped in with her. He grabbed her by the arm and spoke to her.
Nkauj ba, kuya bo hai de, ko bo ko ji yao le, ta ka wa ta kuya.
She reminded him. The orphan begged her to forgive him. He told her. Nkauj said. The orphan did not know what to do. Then the orphan thought.
I was such a fool. Oh,
So then the orphan began cutting trees to build a wooden bucket and carry water on his back to fill it up. He worked restlessly day and night, tirelessly until he accomplished the task that his beloved asked of him. Finally, the 15th day arrived. Above him, Nkauj and the Sky Prince rode horses in the clouds. The orphan looked in the bucket, and before his eyes, his wife's reflection appeared in the water. The orphan said, and so the orphan leaps into the air towards Nkauj. The orphan said, discovered that his to-be wife was gone and taken from him. He sent his guards after the orphan. Nkauj realized this and quickly, with one swing of her arm, lightning came striking down in the sky, blinding the Sky Prince and his guards. The orphan and Nkauj quickly escaped into the mountains. It is said that they spent the rest of their life living and loving each other to the end. And to this day, whenever a thunderstorm occurs, it is because of the love between the orphan and his wife, Nkauj.